Doug's Hurricane Shack videos may be copied, remixed, transformed, and built upon with attribution. Thank you to all of the subscribers to my Hurricane Shack.
On September 20th, the wave began interacting with a disturbance just to its west, giving rise to a broad area of low pressure the next day. The disturbance developed a well-defined center on the morning of the 23rd, west of Cabo Verde, and deep convection associated with it became sufficiently organized to support the formation of Tropical Depression 17, and later that day, Tropical Storm Philippe. Philippe struggled to become better organized overall, due to persistent 25 to 30 mile an hour deep layer west-southwesterly wind shear, and as a result its center became fully exposed and far removed to the west of the deep convection the following day. The storm stalled, generally drifting to the southwest due to its interaction with Tropical Storm Rena. Philippe remained adrift the following morning and sheared, with the low-level center pushed to near the western edge of the main area of deep convection. Philippe continued moving erratically for the next few days. On October 2nd, the storm turned towards the northwest and made landfall on Barbuda before passing near the U.S. Virgin Islands the next day.